Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Lunar client for Minecraft. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website, lunarclient.com/download, and you're just going to click on whichever version, depending on which device you're on. So if you're on a Mac, the Mac download; if you're on Linux, Linux download. And I'm on Windows, so I'm going to hit the Windows download. So we're just going to click on the download button, and it's going to prompt us with a little tab where we want to save it. I'm just going to save it to the desktop because it makes it easier. And that's going to download pretty fast. Then we're done with this the web page. We can close this off, and it should download a lunarclient.exe file that looks something like this. We're just going to double click on it. We're just going to bring up this license agreement. You're just going to click agree without reading it because everyone does that for some reason. Then it's going to give us a little installing please wait window, and it's just going to go ahead and download, and I'll be back when it's finished downloading. Alright, once that's finished loading, it will automatically load up the Lunar client, and what you're going to do is just go ahead and select your version. So there's all the way from 1.8 to 1.19, I think it is. So 1.8, 1.18, 1.16, 1.7, 1.12, 1.17. I don't think they have like the mini versions, it's just the major updates that they have versions for. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the 1.8.9 version, and I was going to go to the home page and just click on the launch button, and that's going to start up Minecraft, and I'll be back when that's finished loading. Alright, and once that's finished loading, it should give you the Lunar client version Lunar client looking version of Minecraft. And what multiplayer probably won't work. I'm not sure if it's going to work immediately, so you're going to have to go up to the top corner here and just click on this little button here, and then click on your whatever your name tag is, and then you're just going to go ahead and sign in with Microsoft. So I've just gone ahead and signed in with my Microsoft account, which you have to do now, which is kind of annoying, but it's alright. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new world in creative mode. I'll be back when that's finished loading. Alright, so here's a brief look at what the Lunar client looks like. This is obviously on 1.8.9, I think. For some reason, yeah, here we go. It's just taking a while to render in the world. So up the top left-hand corner, we're going to have our coordinates, and the name of the biome is going to be written down, which is very useful, so you know what the biome's called. You're also going to have a little window, I don't know if you can see it, it's sort of in the middle. Oh, let me just get rid of this. It's in the middle of the top of the screen here, and this is the exact degree to which you're facing in the world. So N is north, and then there's degrees between north and northeast, and then you keep looking around and it'll do full circle, which is pretty cool. Another thing that you can do, I believe, is press N, the N key, this is a really useful feature. So when you just tap the N key, it'll allow you to create a new waypoint. So I can just set a waypoint of, say, spawn. You can change the color of whatever you want the waypoint to look like. Then you're just going to go ahead and hit save, and that's going to bring up a little blue circle over here, which is going to show you your waypoint. So this is really useful for being able to find your way around the world. You can find old locations, and if we go further enough away from it, it will have like a little beacon above it, and it will show whatever name you've named the waypoint and exactly how far away you are from it. So we could fly really far over here, and we're going to be able to see the waypoint from really far away of exactly where we've set it. There's also a few more settings. If we just go escape and then options and video settings, we've got all of our op-defined settings in here, shaders and stuff like that. Which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's basically it. There's that's what the Lunar client's like, and how you install it, download it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and have a nice day.